lively and inspiring event. It's a celebration. It's a celebration of singing, really, and it's a chance where our children can show what they've been learning in the curriculum. We do a lot of work on singing and on harmony and on melody, and this is an opportunity for them to really show that and have a meaningful chance to display what they can do. It's also really a community-driven event, so it brings people together. It brings people together from different schools, from different backgrounds, from different cultures, different age ranges. So it's a chance for them really to have a chance to discover their voices and to showcase what they can do, or even discover what they can do, discover their new talents.
The Big Sing is a celebration of music. It's an opportunity for young students in the school to come together on our wonderful stage and sing. In addition, we also in the Big Sing invited local schools, so our sister school Panaga came, we had Chunghwa and St. John, so we had over 500 students performing, which creates a wonderful atmosphere. And the thing that makes it different for that event is that, of course, we can't fit the parents in, so it's live streamed. So they could watch it in real time, or working parents could catch up later. So the best thing about it is that all parents could access the celebration of music. Yes, for me, as the head of music, I just help facilitate and organise the background. It's really Andrew Lawson and Sarah Wilkinson who are the day-to-day teachers that have built the music up through weeks of practice. And what it is, it's seeing the confidence of young people. As they learn the songs over a number of weeks, they then get confident in their being on stage, actually performing. And I think the other thing as well for young people, and also the very small children, the Little Big Sing, is it's an opportunity to actually perform to an audience or to perform to each other and share that experience. So yes, many do come out of their shells.
Yes, there are always children who come out of their shell in these kind of events. What we find in the classroom is that there are often children who may know the answers to questions but shy away from putting their hand up. There is a certain element of safety in numbers. With an event like this, it gives those children a chance to shine. It gives them a chance to show what they're capable of, and like I said, or discover what they're capable of. Sometimes just finding that they've got a voice is an achievement for some of those children. We're not necessarily looking for perfection when we get them to sing. We're looking for them to explore what they're capable of.